Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys what you basically unlock once you've reached a certain level of your hobby, like of any hobby in Heartopia. So go to the watch section and go to hobbies. And basically there's a bunch of hobbies, right? So I'll go to gardening for instance, and I want to know what I'm going to unlock once I reach level 10. So once I reach level 10, which is this one, I will unlock one plant. I don't know what the plant is yet, but I'm also able to find out the rest here for the hobby unlock. So here it says cultivation expert 4 increases the chance of crossbreeding by 8% after watering, self only. And then I can own up to 40 planters. And then crop expert 5 and then flower expert 4 can plant up to 60 flowers. So if you want to plant more than for instance, let's say 12 flowers, you need to level up your gardening hobby basically. You can also see what you can do for your cooking hobby. So if I reached level 10, it says increases the perfect operation range by 50% and increases the chance of high star food. Same goes for fishing. Like if you are level 8 for instance, right now I can so right now it increases the chance of high star fish, 6% chance to catch the fish directly, greatly increases the durability of fishing rod. So you can actually just read it here. If you are confused on what each levels unlock, you can just press on each thing to get an information basically from the hobby. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.